like 100 ounces of breast milk that I'm throwing away. Good morning. So it's like 10. Oh, it's bright. Guys, I am breaking out. I have no idea like why my face is like, I have no idea why my face is breaking out so bad. I have like, I'm breaking out up here, breaking out all over my like, all over my face. I don't understand why. I mean, I left my makeup in the car, like all my foundation and stuff, and then I used it. I don't know if the heat did like some chemical reaction or something, but I'm like really breaking out. So this guy is asleep already. It's like, what time is it? It's only 10:20 and he's already asleep. He actually fell asleep at like 9:30. I want to say he fell asleep at 9:30. That's super early for his nap. He usually naps at 11. You guys, I'm just sitting here working and it is storming outside. But like an hour ago, it was just like sunny and the skies were blue. And now it's storming and it's actually raining. This little dude, he is still sleeping. It is almost 4 o'clock and he's knocked out. He's taking a really late nap because he took a really early nap. And he usually takes 2 naps a day. So he's just napping really late. I hope that he can go to sleep tonight on time, but we'll see. We're gonna hope for the best. It is finally 5 o'clock and I'm off of work. I'm going to clean up because what I've been doing lately, instead of cleaning up after the boys go to bed, I've been cleaning up like all the mess and stuff from the day right after I get off of work. So when I put them to bed, I can just relax. I don't really have to like clean up, which has been really great. This is what the office is looking like. It's not even terrible. I have to put the rock and play up and just clean off the desk, but that's pretty much it. Let's go look at my room. And my room is not terrible either. I have to make the bed, gotta put some toys away. This is what the boys' room looks like. They literally dump all of the toys out of that bin right there. I really need to figure out some like different type of toy organization, but for now they just dump all the toys out. So this is what their room is looking like. Kai, are you gonna help me clean? What? This is your mess. Whatever. boys are eating their dinner. Well, Brayden's all done. They're just eating some rice and some chicken nuggets. Is it good, Kai? Yeah, Kai doesn't care for his rice, which is fine. Jordan just has nuggets. Jordan! Hi! Hi! Jordan, you're sitting at the table with your brothers? You're such a big boy. All done. Okay, so what ice cream are you wanting, sir?
Not this one. Not that one.
Do you want the Oreo ice cream? You want the ice cream sandwich? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Where's your toy? Oh, there you are. You got it. You got your toy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! 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 Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What? What are you talking about, big boy? All done. Ready? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, all done. Go find your brothers. Go find your brothers. So I'm about to make my fresh aloe vera mask using my aloe vera because for some reason like my face is breaking out so bad. Like I don't know where this, and this is not like regular acne, this is like a rash, and I don't know why. There's a little bit on my forehead, on my cheeks right here, and I have no idea why. I literally woke up. I was telling you guys this morning that I left my foundation in the car because sometimes on Sundays we're usually in a rush when we are trying to get out of the door to go to church, and sometimes I just bring my makeup in the car with me to do my makeup and stuff. And in Vegas the temps are like 110 and above. So I want to say that has something to do with it, leaving my foundation in the car. And I don't know if some type of chemical reaction took place with my foundation. The beauty sponge that I use is it's a Real Techniques beauty sponge, and it's old, but I wash it every time. But I wonder if washing it gets all the bacteria out. Maybe not all, I don't know. But I know that my face is breaking out really bad, and it's itchy. It's really itchy. It's like dry and itchy. So I'm gonna make a mask, but you just use like a little bit of it, and then I'll show you guys how I do it. But before I do this, let me just show you guys something. So this is so like, I'm so ashamed, and it actually makes me really sad. But I have over like, I have like 100 ounces of breast milk like stored, right? So I have over 100. Oh, they're all melted now. But I have over 100. I have 100 ounces of breast milk that is wasted, that I have to throw away because Jordan never took a bottle, and we're still breastfeeding now. He's only 15 months, so we're still breastfeeding, but Jordan never took a bottle. So I have, so when I was like trying to get my milk established and everything, I was just pumping and pumping and pumping, thinking that I'll just, you know, somebody else could feed him. But he never took a bottle. Still to this day, he won't drink out of a bottle at all. And I pumped because I was trying to keep up with my milk supply, but I wasn't gonna dump it, so I just stored it, and I even gave some away. It's my fault because since I work from home, I didn't think to introduce him to a bottle starting out like I did with my other two, because with my other two I had to go back to work. But with Jordan, when I went back to work, I was still at home, so I still breastfed him. So he never took a bottle, and to this day, he will not take a bottle. So let me just show you guys all of this breast milk that is wasted. I tasted it, I smelled it, and it was terrible. And breast milk really, they say breast milk really shouldn't have a smell, or it shouldn't be sour, because when I actually tasted it, it was like sour. So I know that's why it's bad. So I have this really big bowl, and the bowl is big. The bowl is big, and all of this breast milk is wasted. All of it's just bad. And I feel like I've been holding on to it because I honestly did not want to part with it. As crazy as that sounds, I did not want to part with it because Jordan is our last baby. I got my tubes tied, so I can't have any more kids, and we were okay with that because we have three boys, and honestly, we talked about it, 3 is enough for us. They keep us on our toes, they keep us busy, so three kids is enough. But I was kind of sad because I was like, so it's been really hard for me to part with this breast milk, even though it's bad, and that sounds so crazy. But and I feel so like I should have like donated it. I should have asked someone if they wanted it. But then I also kind of felt weird, like, do you want my breast milk? You know, like, and I know I'm clean. I breastfed 3 babies. I'm still breastfeeding Jordan. I don't do drugs. I don't drink. I don't do any of that. And so my breast milk is, you know, it's clean. It nourished all my babies. All my babies were chunky and healthy. So it just makes me really sad that this could have gone to someone else. This could have gone to another baby. But I mean, it's too late now. I don't want to like dwell on it, but it just makes me really sad because, but then, you know what, I was like, you know what, no, Jordan's gonna use it, and then every time that I tried to give it to him, he just wouldn't take a bottle. He wouldn't take it in a bottle, he wouldn't take it in a cup, he wouldn't take it anywhere. He just wanted it from the tap. He just wanted to nurse from me, which is okay, like I'm okay with that. But all of this breast milk, I just feel so like all of this is just gone. I just have to throw it out. But anyways, so I'm just rambling on how even now I'm like holding on to this bowl, and even now I'm just like, I do not want to throw this out, but I have to, because what's the point in me keeping it? And I have to let it go. And this is really hard. This is really hard for me. I sound so crazy. I know I sound crazy, but And I'm crazy for even hoarding this breast milk for a year because it's been in my freezer for a year. But anyways, I'm going to go toss this milk out, and it makes me sad. This is just like, this bowl right here is hard work. This bowl right here is like, it's hard work. Like any moms, if you have ever pumped because you had to go back to work, pumped exclusively because your baby wouldn't latch or anything, if you know about pumping, then you know how hard it is. It's hard work, and part of me is like, I don't want to get rid of this because this was really hard. This was hard work. I was literally pumping every 2 hours, you know, making sure my milk supply was up and I had enough milk for my baby. And I would just pump and save. I would pump and save. And then when Jordan was around 5 months, I tried to introduce a bottle to him. He was like, what the heck is this? This is not the real thing. There it is, all of the breast milk dumped out, and I'm just gonna put these bags in the recycle so they're not in our landfills along with the other plastic. But yeah, and I'm kind of sad, but I'm actually okay. All right, so now that that whole thing is done, I'm gonna make my little mask. I'm literally just gonna take a piece like that, like so. I'm gonna cut it right here so I can cut this part off. No, don't cut your fingers now. Literally just gonna scoop, scoop, scoop. And then I'm just gonna cut it up like that. I'm gonna put it in my little mason jar. I'm gonna use some witch hazel first, like just to tone my face before. And I'm just using this witch hazel. I get it from Target, Dickinson's.